video, I'll be showing you how to fix cutscene audio and pedestrian voices PC. So all you have to do is just to open this link. I will leave it in the description. Scroll down till you find these two websites. Just choose from this description which bests you more. As you can see with pedestrian's voices, so we will choose the second one here. Click on this website and then click on the download link. Click on download. After downloading, you will have two folders, SFX and streams. Just go to your file location, just right click on your game and then click on open file location. You will have these folders. After opening them, I want you to click on audio. After clicking on audio, you will have these two folders, SFX and stream. So what I want you to do is just to copy those folders that you have downloaded previously and paste them in these two files, and this will fix your problem. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for more tutorials.